Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's Focus of the Day session. Today we are going to talk about a very crucial development coming in from Har Ghar Jal campaign and why we are celebrating this Har Ghar Jal Utsav. We shall be covering this particular news in the following sequence. First of all, why it is in news, thereafter about Jal Jeevan Mission JJM, followed by the prelims and mains based questions for you all. But before that, I want you all to be informed about the Polity and Ethics Foundation course 2023, wherein we are having offline as well as online batches, and you are going to be taught by Nitin Shivhari sir, who is the founder and director of Analyst IAS. The seats are limited. The batches are going to begin from 25th of August. So I am going to ask you to hurry up. You can call on these numbers to inquire further about the courses and the admissions. And you can also visit our office. The address is given over here in Old Rajinder Nagar. Now, let's begin with our topic. So the Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, yesterday addressed Har Ghar Jal Utsav under Jal Jeevan Mission via a video message. The event took place at Panaji Goa. Why at Panaji Goa? You'll be coming to know shortly. The Chief Minister of Goa, Shri Pramod Sawant, Union Minister Shri Gajendrasinghshekhawat were among those who were present on this particular occasion in Panaji. While the PM was addressing the gathering through a video message, the outset Prime Minister shared every Indian's pride in three important milestones to the huge goals that India is working on in Amrit Kal that were accomplished. What are these three important milestones? Firstly, today 10 crore rural households of the country have been connected to piped clean water facility. This is a big success of the government's campaign to deliver water to every household and a great example of Sabka Prayas. Thereafter, the second one is Goa has become the first Har Ghar Jal certified state where every household is connected to piped water. So Har Ghar Nal Se Jal. He also acknowledged Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu as the first union territory to achieve this particular milestone. The third achievement that the Prime Minister informed us about is that 1 lakh villages in different states of the country have turned ODF plus, that is open defecation free plus status for 1 lakh villages in the country today. The Prime Minister said that the four pillars are at the basis of success of Jal Jeevan Mission, that is people's participation, stakeholder participation, political will and optimum utilization of resources. Local people and Gram Sabhas and other institutions of local governance have been given an unprecedented role in the campaign. Local women are trained for water testing and are members of Pani Samitis. Stakeholder participation is evident in enthusiasm shown by panchayats, NGOs, educational institutions and all the ministries. Now, since Prime Minister has given all the credit of achieving these milestones to Jal Jeevan Mission, it becomes crucial for us to talk about, to discuss about and to understand about this particular mission of Government of India. So let's begin with our discussion. Under Jal Jeevan Mission, as Prime Minister mentioned, there are four pillars. Number one, piped water supply to all rural households by 2024. Number two, integrated demand and supply side management of water at the local level. Number three, creation of local infrastructure for rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge and management of household wastewater for reuse in agriculture. Number four, will converge with other central and state government schemes. So, it was launched in 2019. It envisages supply of 55 liters of water per person per day to every rural household through functional household tap connections FHTC by 2024. This is called Har Ghar Nal Se Jal. So Jal Jeevan Mission looks to create a Jan Andolan of water, thereby making it everyone's priority. It comes under the Jal Shakti Ministry. The aim of this particular mission is to ensure functionality of existing water supply systems and water connections, water quality monitoring and testing, as well as sustainable agriculture. It also ensures conjunctive use of conserved water, drinking water, source augmentation, drinking water supply system, grey water treatment, and its reuse. The features are: it is focused on integrated demand and supply side management of water at the local level. So, creation of local infrastructure for source sustainability, measures as mandatory elements like rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, and management of household wastewater for reuse is undertaken in convergence with other government programs or schemes. The mission is based on a community approach to water and includes extensive information, education, communication as a key component of the mission. Now, how is it being implemented? Please focus that local level implementation is the main feature of Jal Jeevan Mission. So that's why Pani Samitis plan, implement, manage, operate and maintain village water supply systems. These consist of 10 to 15 members. So Pani Samiti has 10 to 15 members with at least 50% of them being women and other members from self-help groups, accredited social and health workers, Anganwadi teachers, etc. The committees prepare a one-time village action plan merging all available village resources. The plan is approved in the Gram Sabha before implementation. Now, what is the funding pattern? Under the scheme, union territories without legislatures are 100% centrally funded, while the central state funding share is 90:10 for northeast states, Himalayan states, union territories with legislature. However, for states otherwise, it is a 50-50 fund sharing pattern. Additional fund is also available for states that show good physical and financial progress with regards to the mission. So what has been the performance so far? We know that Goa has achieved a certification under the same, and we also know that Dadar and Nagar Haveli has achieved a feat. But as per the Jal Jeevan Mission dashboard, around 9.65 crore households, that is 50.38%, have tap water connections across nations as of 10th June 2022. At the state level, Goa, Telangana and Haryana have achieved 100% tap connectivity to all households in the state. Union territories like Puducherry, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu have also provided 100% of their households with tap water connections. So the progress has been going. The states with over 90% functional household toilet coverage are Punjab at 99.72%, Gujarat at 95.91%, Himachal Pradesh at 93.05% and Bihar at 92.74%. So from this data, see, this is the northernmost, this is the westernmost, this is the northern plains, this is the westernmost, here's a hilly region, and this is Bihar is amongst the states which are worst credited in many other parameters. But look at the progress over here. This shows you how successful Jal Jeevan Mission is going on. So the states with at least FHTC coverage, with the least FHTC coverage, however, are Rajasthan at 24.87%. That's because the state is a desert area and there's anyways very much lack of water over there. Then there is Chhattisgarh 23.10%, Jharkhand 20.57% and Uttar Pradesh 13.86%. So yes, a lot of scope of improvement is still available. So this was about Jal Jeevan Mission and the current developments and the milestones, and now you know why the Utsav, because certain milestones which have been very crucial have been achieved. Now the prelims praise practice question for you all is: is Jal Jeevan Mission is implemented by A. Ministry of Jal Shakti, B. Ministry of Rural Development, C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and D. None of the above. Your answer for this particular question, yes, we have covered it in this session itself, Ministry of Jal Shakti. The mains practice question for today is discuss the significance of Jal Jeevan Mission. You will be answering this particular question in 150 words and you shall send this answer to us on WhatsApp to get it reviewed. This is it for today. I shall see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay tuned. Thank you so much for